The electric hot dog machine when you are ready.
Whoa, she's on. Yeah. So sorry, it's over. Oh, kids, so ain't so bad for me. So sorry. Well, so this is my job. So I guess it was pretty ripped if all I had to do was tear movie tickets. So I took some acid. So sorry, it's over. And I'm pretty ripped. Yeah. It's like being in a crowd and thousands of people in a movie, like in a Lindsay Lohan movie, you know? You know? And you know what? Pretty much, but it's a lot of work too, man. I mean, like, I'm giving them sodas, I'm fixing their popcorn, and it's hell, but I'm handling it. But the problem is, they always pester me, and they don't care until when their hot dog is done. So all I do is stare at this machine. I will be the same way. Oh man. Oh. It's like, they don't stop until they say, they want a hot dog. But then, the music is rolling. My voice is then, the cute Asian girl who's working next to me puts another wiener on the prom. And that just made my day. And then it just makes me feel a lot better.
You couldn't believe you were so wrong. I would never let my friend down after many years. We played in the band, left you far behind. It felt so long. You couldn't believe you were so wrong. I couldn't have let my friend down all after many years. We played in the band, left you far behind. It felt so long.